I like trains.
Hello everyone, and Merry Christmas. Today, as you guys know, is a very special day, and well, I figured that, what better way of celebrating than running the model trains. Here they are right here. It's been a while since I last ran these, but yeah, I figured I'd show you them today. And yeah, of course, I did mention 2 weeks ago in my update video that every Saturday, starting on Christmas, which is today, I will be posting a model train video. So the next model train video will be on New Year's Day, the first day of 2022, January 1st. So yeah, this will be the last time you guys see the model trains in 2021, and the first time you will see them in this winter season. So anyways, yeah, these model train videos will be posted starting today every Saturday through the end of January. So the last one will be January 29th. And yeah, anyways, I'm not really going to explain much about this layout because I already have in the past. Yeah. A year ago, sorry, I blanked out a little bit. A year ago, I did post a very long overview of this entire layout, so I really don't need to get into any explanation of it here. So yeah, be sure to check out that video. And without further ado, let's get this started. I'm not going to be using the milk or log cars today. You guys will be seeing that in another video. But yeah, of course, you guys see we got 3 tracks, one up top with a figure 8 and an oval, and then we got the one running completely around on the bottom, and then a middle track which is used for the handcar. It just has bumpers, and of course the top track we got the steam locomotive, and then on the outside bottom track we've got diesel. Steam locomotive being Pennsylvania Railroad 8014-280, and then this is Seaboard Coastline 1776. No, it has no relation to CSX 1776, the Spirit of Armed Forces, although this was a real locomotive at some point, a GE U36B, so it's a U-boat. It did get scrapped a while ago, though, so it's obviously no longer in service at all. It's completely scrapped, but still cool that it does replicate a real-life locomotive at some point. So anyways, that's enough explaining to do. Let's get into this. Let's get into the model trains run. Sorry about that, guys. I had to pause the video. That's because steam locomotive was pretty much out of smoke. The apple pie scented smoke, to be exact. So anyways, let's get into the running the model trains, and here we go. Got everything on. Let's turn everything on, the lights, and the music. And here we go. Alright, here we go. So everything else, the diesel and the handcar. Look at all that smoke coming out. Pretty nice. Oh yeah, one thing to note, these boxcars represent all 13 colonies: Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maryland, South Carolina, New Hampshire, Virginia, New York, North Carolina, Rhode Island. Pretty cool. Anyways, now we're going to switch the steam locomotive. This switch goes here. This one goes up there. Oh boy, we got a special guest. This one goes there. That one goes up there. So here we go. and switch it back. And now we're going to do a whistle horn off. Alright, now we're going to have the steam locomotive do a command. So we're going to turn everything else off. Bell, whistle, whistle. Let's see if it works. Yep. Smoke rings.
The switchman's signaling us to stab it here. Okay, looks like they're going to cut the orders. Go get your orders cut out. Thanks.
Now if it's 2 whistles, it's forward,
Firing.
3 whistles back.
Keep things straight. We'll make points before the next shift for sure. We gotta cut that bad order. Water level looks good. We're ready. Tell them to close that up. Conductor's giving us a high ball signal.
There we go.
Let's get down the line.
2 whistles, forward. And everything else. Now I'm not going to feature these springs running in the dark, but you guys will see that eventually. Very cool. Bird's eye view shot of it now. Alright, now we're going to do the last whistle horn off. Just like 955 with NS 1206 and the 611. Oops. I hit the wrong button. Very nice. Again, you guys will be seeing a lot more of this in the future. A lot more model trains. Let's get one last look at the diesel engine. Got the handcar. And we got the steam locomotive. Alright, I think that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Smoke ring. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And, yeah, here from my basement. This is the old main guy signing off for now. Hope you guys have a great day out there and have a Merry Christmas.